that a bowl? Is that a block? Block. You just keep picking stuff up and walking with it, don't you? You're doing very well, kiddo. Woo! What you gonna do next? You gonna stand back up? Nope. Well, now he's contented, but there's a spree of Lewis walking anyways. Can you see that we've dumped all the toy baskets out and gotten into the recycling? He likes odd and unusual toys. Lewis? Lewis, say hi! Got a bruise on his forehead from something. I don't know what. He must have bonked his head on something yesterday. Lewis. What is that? It's a toy. It's from McDonald's. Lewis. Lewis. Are you roaring? Lewis? Lewis. Oh, you're not going to pay attention. Here you go. There's the walking wonder. Why are you putting a block on your head? Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Yeah, I'm your mama. What is that? Is that the book that Daddy reads you? Yeah. Thank you, honey. We'll watch Daddy read it again later. We already watched it once today. Can you say Dada? Say Dada?
Dada.
Yeah.
Dada.
Say I love you, Dada. Yeah. Okay. There's your boy. We love you, honey.
Mama.
Yeah, I'm your mama. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Lewis, can you say night-night? Night-night. Maybe not. Okay. Well, there he is. He said Dada for you. We love you. Bye.